Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new Airsoft video. Today myself and Jay from Team Raid were back down at Anzio Camp in Leek, Staffordshire. Now for today's video I am once again using the brand new G&G RK104 ETU. So by this stage in the day, the enemy team were trying to push their way through the town, so myself and Jay were moving from building to building, taking out as many players as we possibly could, before eventually flanking round to the back of the embassy and trying to get behind the enemy team.
Oh, sorry for that.
Now by this stage an enemy player is blocking our approach across the building, so myself and Jay use a technique you often see us use at Anzio Camp. Because the buildings are completely square and you can move right round the opposite side, Jay will then flank round to the other side as a left-handed shooter, giving him a better angle to try and get a jump on an enemy player.
He's down.
Now a lot of enemy players have started to move inside the building, but because myself and Jay are moving around pretty quickly, we seem to have them confused, and we start to take out a lot of these players before they even spot where we're coming from.
Hey. Halfway down. He's down as well. No, he's down, it's his arm sticking out.
In a situation like that, it is very, very easy to often just freeze up when you see a lot of enemy players. You're in a safe position and just stay there and try and wait for the enemy to come to you. But often if you do that, you just allow the enemy to move around you and locate your position. So I find if you can just keep moving quickly, change those positions and try and take those corners, you can often take out enemy players before they even have a chance to work out where you are.
Get in. There's reds down this end. See him?
Now at this stage I've just killed an enemy player on this corner from about 4 or 5 meters, but there's definitely still enemy players around him. So rather than popping out of the same doorway again, where his teammates are probably all now zeroed on that doorway expecting it, I fall back to a different location, which is a little bit further away, gives me more time to react, and gives me a little bit of a surprise advantage. So if you can move your firing position around and make yourself less predictable, this is always going to work in your favour. Now at this point, after clearing out the building, myself and Jay try and make our way towards the embassy, where we know a lot of enemy players are positioned, and if we can make our way behind the embassy, we might be able to get the jump on quite a few enemy players.
What colour's that guy walking towards us there?
Now as I mentioned at the start of the video today, throughout this gameplay I am using the G&G RK104 ETU, the new electronic trigger unit version of their RK104. And I have to say, as you'll hear me mention live throughout this gameplay, the range and especially the accuracy of this weapon is very, very impressive.
Got him. That's decent range.
Yeah. Should we go through the embassy into the bathrooms?
Yeah. 2 down, 3 down, sorry. What colour? Red. Yeah. See him? Watch out. He's down. Oh shit.
Oh, with the fucking shot there.
He's down. This thing is accurate, you know, Joe. Give it that. Just nailed that guy in the forehead with a cap on. Oh, that's a pyro. He's down.
Nicely done, Matt.
This thing is accurate, bro.
Now at this stage here, pretty much all the enemy players know myself and Jay are inside the embassy, and we actually end up getting split up. So I go on a little bit of a lone wolf kill streak and take out as many enemy players as I possibly can.
You almost got the jump on me then, dude.
So eventually there I do get taken out, but that was pretty much the end of the game and the end of the day anyway. So if you did enjoy today's video and you enjoyed the kind of tips and advice I give throughout the gameplay and you'd like to see more videos like that, tell me down in the comment section below. And of course, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like. But in the meantime guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.